everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on recycling glass. Recycling glass helps save natural resources like sand. It uses less energy than making new glass from raw materials. Recycled glass can be turned into new bottles and jars. It reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills. Recycling glass cuts down on pollution and greenhouse gases. Glass can be recycled over and over without losing quality. One challenge is sorting glass by color before recycling. Broken glass can be dangerous to handle. Not all recycling centers accept glass due to these challenges. By recycling glass, we help keep our environment clean and healthy. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.